grade 2s. I hope that you are well. Today I'm going to go through some number sense with you in our workbook number 6 on page 38. So your page should look a little something like this at the top. And number 1 asks us, how many cents? So as you can see, there are 5 coins at the top. We've got 2 50-cent coins and 3 20-cent coins. So first things first, let's ask ourselves, what is 50 cents? It's a little bit big. What is 50 cents plus 50 cents? 50 plus 50 would give us 100 cents. But how would we write 100 cents in rands? We would convert it. So it would give us 1 rand, because 50 cents plus 50 cents equals 1 rand. Then our 20-cent coins. Let's count in 20s. 20, 40, 60. So these 3 coins added together equal 60 cents. So what is 1 rand plus 60 cents? Correct, 1 rand and 60 cents. So you're going to insert your answer with your pencil and write 1 rand 60. Right, then number 2, complete, starts at the star. So you know by now how to do these. So we're going to start at the star. And our number is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. And so on and so on. Remember to follow the arrows and check if it's a plus like this one or a minus like that one. So do that carefully and slowly, and don't forget to check your answer each time you finish a sum, please. Number 3 says complete. These are our famous pyramids that we love so much. So the first one looks very simple. So we simply say 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7, and 3 plus 5 is 8. 7 plus 8 is 15. Then the next pyramid can seem a little bit tricky, but don't stress, it's really, really easy. So if we simply had to say 5 minus 2, our answer would be 3. And if we had to say 5 minus 1, our answer would be 4. Then we can say, what is 3 plus 4? 7. Correct. Then 5 plus 7 is 12. 5 plus 7 is 12. And 12 plus 12 is 24. Then number 4 says, 4 friends share 32 apples equally. How many apples will each friend get? So I'm going to highlight the word equally. Why? Because this shows us that each friend has to have the same number of apples. So if we had to have 2 apples that are left over at the end, we cannot share them, because that means that other friends might not get the same amount. So let's look at the sum together. Over here I've drawn us a little picture. So on the left hand side I have got 4 friends, and our sum says 4 friends share 32 apples. So remember, they share them equally. So in my basket, I have drawn little apples. And as you can see, I have grouped them in 4s. So I've colored 4 apples a different color. Let's group them together and see how many groups we have. So we have 1 over here of the yellow. So that means we can give each friend 1 from that group. Then the orange group, 1 from the orange group. The blue group, 1 from the blue group. The purple, the black, the rainbow, the green, and the pink. Let's see if we were able to share them equally. So let's count how many apples are in friend number 1's group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She has 8 apples. Friend number 2, how many apples does he have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He also has 8 apples. So far they're equal. Yes, they are. Let's see if friend number 3 has the same number. Ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She also has 8 apples. And friend number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they each have 8 apples. Did we manage to share them equally? Yes, we did. So our sentence is going to say, each friend got 8 apples. If possible, I would like you to draw this little sum in your math books, if you can, just to help you learn how to do some sharing. Then, if you notice, Miss Foley had another little friend at the bottom that didn't get those 8 apples. Oh my word, I'm trying to erase this. So because our next sum says 5 friends share 32 apples. So here comes along our new little friend. Oops, I deleted some of my basket. Oh dear. No! It's okay. We'll just keep those full stops over there. Okie dokie. So now we've got a 5th friend. So what will we do now? So remember our last sum, we grouped them in 4s. Okay, there's our 5 friends. And we had grouped them in 4s. So now I want to take that all away so it doesn't confuse us. And let's do little groups of 5 apples. Right, so we have 5 apples over there for friend number 1. So count with me. We had 5, 10. Now we're doing 15, 20, and 25. How many apples did we have to start with? 32. So our sum is going to say 32 minus 25. How many do we have left to share? 32 minus 25 is 7. So at the bottom here, I'm going to draw my 7 spare apples. But of those 7, I could give each friend another apple. So this group is for friend number 1. This is for friend number 2. Friend number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And there's our 7 spare apples at the bottom. If I gave each friend one of these, I would only have 2 left over. So friend 1, friend 2, friend 3, friend 4, friend 5. So how many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus that one. 5 plus 1 equals 6 apples. And friend number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 6 apples. And so on and so on. They each get 6 apples. How many apples did we have left over at the bottom? If you said 2, you are correct. We had 2 apples left over. But unfortunately, because we have 5 friends, those 2 apples are going to be a bit too tricky to share. So, what is our sentence going to be? Each friend will get 6 apples. I know that one is a little bit tricky, so you can do it along with your moms and dads, or just watch this video and see if you understand it. I will do some more with you next week, and we will practice more of our problem solving skills and some sums. But I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will chat to you guys next week.